What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Roni from Traveling Trekkies. Today we're going to do a product review. It's kind of like our first product review about the Snap-on Easy, what are these things called again? The Snap and Zap mirror extenders. Alright, for those of us who are out there who are towing with SUVs and we don't have the ability to extend our mirrors out, I'm glad that Snap and Zap came out with a good product. There's a few other companies out there that make something similar, but one of the things I liked about this one after doing a lot of research, and I found these on eTrailer, is that they really much conform straight to the mirror. There are no rubber straps that I need to put on, no brackets that I need to tighten up. It's just pretty much you snap it and they go. So this is kind of an unboxing, but the box is already open, so it can't really be an unboxing, right? So more like an unveiling. Alright, so it comes with a nice little blue box. Alright, with Snap and Zap, it kind of shows you all the information. Now, I'll tell you one thing, real quick disclaimer. I actually tried putting these on. Big thing, guys, please follow the directions. Trust me. I'll explain that here in a second. So it comes in a nice box, and then inside the box you're going to get a carrying tote that kind of keeps everything really nice, and so that the mirrors don't scratch. Again, it says Snap and Zap on there as well. It comes with a nice divider, but here's really the big thing I wanted to show you guys, which is right here. The instructions tell you to stand behind the mirror when you put it on. And I can tell you right now, if you try to put it on from the side, it creates a lot of extra unwanted pressure and you have a hard time getting the mirror on. And I almost scratched my mirror pretty badly trying to do it without following instructions. Alright, so here it is. I'll show you how to put on the Easy Snap and Zap. Alright, here we go. So let's go ahead and find the driver's side. One of the things I really like about this product is this particular GMC, which is a 2016, comes with a puddle lamp, and I'm not sure if you can see on this product, it actually has a cutout for, hey butterfly, it has a quick cutout so that way you don't lose access to using your puddle lamp. So we won't do the passenger side, it's pretty much the same thing. I will show you what it looks like. Since it does come in a pair, you can buy these one in each, or you can just buy the pair. There you go. Like I said, this is not really the best product review as far as a good unboxing, but you guys get the general idea. So we're going to put our box down to the side. Of course, knowing me, I did something really silly. I grabbed the passenger side, not the driver's side. I had the driver's side out, but then put it back in the bag. Alright. So, these are molded specifically for the 2016 GMC. I believe it's through 17 and 18. I'm not sure if the Suburban will take these as well. I think they will. Just got to double check your year model. I'll put a link in the description below to eTrailer, and that way you can go look for yourself. Okay. So here's the driver's side. It comes with a little bit of the mirror. I believe when I watched the eTrailer, it said that these were like 3 inches by 4 inches, something like that. It comes with a set screw. Okay. So here we go. We're gonna put this on. Again, stand behind the mirror of the your vehicle, excuse me. It's like this. You want to kind of rotate because there's these little clips right here. All right, and so this is going to catch the upper part of the mirror, and this is going to latch onto the bottom. So I simply just put this on. Once you start pulling on this, you can feel the pressure already. Okay, so all you do is just rotate it down, and that's it, folks. They just snap right into place. Easy as that. Now you might want to come back and make a final adjustment, which is by pushing on your mirror. And once you hear that click, that means these are locked. Apparently these are rated by the National Transportation Association, or whatever it said on there, that they can go down the road at regular highway speeds, and these things are designed not to fall off. All right, and that is it. I'm gonna give you guys another angle from the interior and from this portion right here so you can see it as well. So as you can see, my mirrors are now extended. Now if you're asking why would I want to buy extensions for my mirrors, well, surprise surprise, we will let you guys know what's going to be coming up on Traveling Trekkies a little bit later. Alright guys, this is what it looks like from the inside of the driver's cockpit, looking out and the driver's side mirror. As you can tell, just like the product says, it does not impede your regular mirror's function. I can still use all of the buttons on my vehicle to get the mirrors to move in, move out. When I go to adjust the snap and zap mirror, it's just basically folded in, folded out with a touch of my finger where I need it to be. Again, this is the passenger side. So far I'm very pleased with the snap and zap. Like I said, it comes in the carrier as well. It says snap and zap, so you can keep your mirrors from getting scratched. Comes in a nice box, and I believe the contour on my vehicle looks really good. It almost looks like as if it was made by GM, just to extend those mirrors out a little bit. All right, I'll give you a view from the front of the vehicle just to take a quick picture of what the profile looks like. Other than that, this has been Ronnie from Traveling Trekkies, and there's a reason that we got those, right, babe? Yep. Okay, so anyways, you guys stay tuned for more content from Traveling Trekkies. Like our videos, smash that like button. We only have 5 videos, but we're making more when time permits. So again, stay tuned to our channel. More exciting things to come.